Once you have made a first selection with the filters, you can then start creating the bold or underlined words inside the verses. This can be done in two ways. The first way is to click the Create Puzzle Words button. This will create verses with marked words in all rows that are visible. You will also notice that the cells in the first column are either red or green. Only the rows marked green will be used to create word search puzzles. The red-colored rows do not meet the criteria of your filters. You can also select or deselect Bible verses by hand. Double-click with your left mouse button on any row. This will add or will remove the marked words of that particular row.